Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Photos app settings for free storage optimization. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your device. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select Photos settings from the drop-down menu. Look for Backup and Sync and tap on it. Ensure that Backup and Sync is enabled. Under Backup Device Folders, review which folders are being backed up. Toggle off any folders that you don't want to include in the backup. Next, return to the Photos Settings menu. Select Storage Settings to check your storage usage. Here, you'll see how much storage you have left and what's consuming it. Tap on Manage Storage to explore options for optimizing storage. Consider choosing Free Up Space to remove items already backed up. Review the recommended items to delete and confirm your selections. Additionally, adjust the Upload Size option under Upload Size. Choose High Quality to compress photos and videos for more free space. Now, go back to the main Settings menu. Select Archive to manage items you want to keep out of your main library. Utilize the Trash feature to permanently delete unwanted media. Finally, make sure to regularly check your storage usage to maintain free space. You have now updated your Google Photos app settings for better storage optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.